In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export Evernote to PDF. Exporting your notes as PDFs is really useful if you want to share them with someone who doesn't use Evernote, attach them to an email, or simply keep a permanent backup outside the app. In this walkthrough, I'll guide you through the process step by step using the Evernote web interface. First, open your browser and go to the Evernote website. If you're not already signed in, log into your account as you normally would. Once you're in, you'll land on the main Evernote dashboard. On the left-hand side, look for the section labeled Notes. This is where all your individual notes are stored, regardless of which notebook they're in. Go ahead and click on Notes to open the full list. Next, you'll need to pick the note you want to turn into a PDF. Scroll through your list or use the search bar at the top to quickly find a specific note by title or keyword. When you see the note you want, click on it once. The note will open in the main pane, and you should now see its contents clearly on the screen. With your note selected and open, look toward the top right corner of the note window. You'll see an icon with 3 vertical dots, sometimes called the More Options menu. Click on these 3 dots to reveal a drop-down menu. This menu contains several actions you can take on the note. In that drop-down, find and click on the option labeled Export as PDF. As soon as you click it, Evernote will start generating a PDF version of your note. Depending on the size of your note and your internet speed, this might take a few seconds. Your browser will then either automatically download the file or prompt you to choose a location to save it. When the file save window appears, choose a folder where you'll easily find the PDF later, such as your desktop or a dedicated documents folder. You can also rename the file at this stage to something clear and descriptive, especially if you're exporting multiple notes. Once you're happy with the name and location, click Save. That's all you need to do. Your Evernote note is now safely exported as a PDF.